Hello again, Pietro here. I have not done one of these videos in a while. You've heard of the infamous OnePlus 12 Hasselblad. I just discovered a fun Easter egg thanks to my Poetic charging case, which I just unboxed. This is kind of a trailer, but I don't know if it's Easter. I just don't remember seeing this in another video. Let me show you. So here's the OnePlus phone, right? Doesn't that look like the MagSafe logo, right? So we'll turn this off for the full effect. And there's the OnePlus, no tricks here. And we're just gonna go like so. Whoa, it's MagSafe. Now, how long does it take to charge? It takes a long time, 2 hours and 3 minutes, and it's already been on the charger for quite some time. So there you go. There's your Easter egg about the OnePlus 12 Plus Hasselblad. It's MagSafe compatible. Not fast charging, but it still works with MagSafe. And it also works with the old charger from years ago. If I pop that off and pop that on, there we go. Charging, AirVook, 2 hours and 3. What? Hold on a second. I don't know if it was correctly on there. 1 hour and 59 minutes? That's not right. Hang on. Okay, quiet charging is off. There we go. It just took a little bit. Oh, you know what? The MagSafe case is throwing it off. Hang on. When all else fails, charge it naked. Sorry, Poetic. As it turns out, your case is awesome. It's just not compatible with my docking station from the year 2021. Now, put this on. Go back to battery. And in just a second, it's going to update. And instead of 1 hour and 15 minutes, it's going to take, come on, make yourself look good, OnePlus. 21 minutes, and we're not getting the red light. Yeah, that magnet is throwing off the charging coils on my OnePlus charger. So this is the OnePlus charger that I got with my OnePlus 9 Pro, and it works with the OnePlus 12. I've checked the heat, I've checked lots of things. It maxes out at about 1.6 to 1.8% per minute. Now the downside is without that Poetic case, when I try to, it doesn't suction on there. You need to have a MagSafe case, and you can pick those up by Poetic. That is their MagSafe Black Clear. So did you know that? Was that an Easter egg, or am I the only one that bought a OnePlus 12 Hasselblad and they just found out that it's MagSafe? It is slow. It's trickle charging at about 0.2 to 0.3% per minute, not even a 0.5% per minute like this other charger, the Wireless Power IQ 2.0. And that's it. Thanks for the Easter egg, OnePlus, and I hope the OnePlus 13, or maybe if you're working on the OnePlus 12 Pro, it can charge at 1% using MagSafe. That would be just a wee bit faster. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.